how to change your country or region in Fortnite. Now this will work on both computer and also mobile as well. So all you need to do is open up an internet browser like this. You could then type in Epic Games and click on the top website, which is store.epicgames.com. Now once you're on the official Epic Games website, you'll need to click on the login button and go and sign in to your Epic Games account. Now once you're signed in, you can click on your profile icon and then select account. You could then scroll down this page and you'll see the option for country and region. Now if you go and click on the edit button, you could then scroll down the page and click on click here to start the country change process. Now as you can see, it's detected that we're in a different country, so you can go and press send a code. You'll then just need to verify your email address. Now once you've entered the 6-digit code that will have been emailed to you, you can select change country. And as you can see, we have now updated our country in our Epic Games account.